Are you a waiter, bartender, or tipped worker wondering how the One Big Beautiful Bill Act affects your paycheck? In this video, we'll break it down in under 3 minutes so you know what's changing, how it impacts your income, and what you can do to take advantage. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed into law in 2025, is a massive federal budget package. It includes permanent tax cuts, new savings incentives, and changes to federal programs that directly impact working Americans. Tipped workers often have unpredictable income and rely heavily on tax credits and refunds. This law changes how tips, overtime, and family credits are treated, which can significantly increase your take-home pay. One of the biggest benefits for waiters is the new $25,000 tax credit for tipped income. This credit is on top of your regular tax credits, meaning a large portion of your tips may no longer be taxed. The law also introduces a $12,000 tax credit for overtime pay. If you work extra hours, this credit reduces your taxes dollar for dollar, letting you keep more of what you earn. Together, the $25,000 tip income credit and the $12,000 overtime credit can make a huge difference. A typical waiter earns $10 an hour for about 30 hours a week, roughly $15,600 per year, plus $20 to $30 an hour in tips, or $18,000 to $27,000 annually. With the tipped income credit reducing taxes on tips and the overtime credit adding extra savings, this can mean hundreds or even thousands of dollars more each year without working more hours. The new law also expands income-based tax credits and child tax credits. If you have children or earn low to moderate income, these credits can stack on top of the tip and overtime credits, increasing your refund even more. The law introduces new tax advantage savings accounts for families and children. These accounts make it easier to save and invest long-term while reducing your overall tax burden. With lower taxes and higher credits, your monthly cash flow may improve. For tipped workers, this makes budgeting more predictable and helps cover essentials like rent, food, and transportation. If you have student loans, the law updates certain repayment and education tax benefits. Understanding these changes can help reduce monthly payments and long-term interest costs. The law also makes changes to federal healthcare programs. Depending on your income, you may qualify for better coverage or lower healthcare costs. Subscribe to Money Basics Library for more under 3-minute money breakdowns and Che.